Typhon Machinery. Power you can trust.
Typhon Terror XVII Pro with 13 attachments. One mini excavator, endless possibilities. Powered by a Kubota D902 diesel engine with a 3,800-pound operating weight and 14 kilonewtons of digging force, it's built to tackle more jobs with one compact machine. It starts with the quick coupler, allowing fast attachment changes to keep you working with minimal downtime.
Use the standard bucket and hydraulic thumb clip to dig trenches, soil, and grab rock and debris.
The 200mm narrow bucket cuts precise trenches for pipes, cables, and drainage, while the 500mm plain bucket handles everyday excavation and material loading. Clear brush and roots with the rake. Then break compacted ground using the ripper before excavation begins. Need post holes? The Auger drills clean, accurate holes for fencing, trees, and landscaping. Lift logs, branches, rocks, and demolition debris with the Grapple. Or separate soil from rocks using the 600mm screen bucket for cleaner, reusable material. Finish every project with a 600mm tilting bucket, perfect for grading, shaping slopes, and creating smooth surfaces. When demolition calls, the hydraulic hammer breaks through concrete, asphalt, and rock with ease. For material handling, the Pallet Fork moves pallets, lumber, and construction supplies efficiently around the job site. From construction and utility work to farming, landscaping, and property maintenance, the Typhon Terror XVII Pro delivers exceptional versatility through its 13-in-1 attachment system. One compact machine, endless possibilities. Built compact, designed versatile, ready for every job.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.